Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable autoplay videos in Viber. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Viber app and look at the bottom of your screen. You'll see several navigation options there. Go ahead and tap on More. This will take you to additional settings and features that aren't immediately visible on the main navigation bar. Once you tap on More, you'll be taken to a new screen with various options. From here, you need to tap on Settings. This is where you can customize and configure how Viber works for you, including notification preferences, privacy options, and media settings. Inside the settings menu, you'll see different categories for managing your Viber experience. Look for the option labeled Media and tap on it. This section specifically controls how Viber handles photos, videos, and other media content you receive and send through the app. Now, within the media settings, you'll see an option called Autoplay Videos. This feature determines whether videos in your chats automatically start playing as you scroll through them or if they remain paused until you manually tap to play them. When autoplay is enabled, videos will begin playing automatically as soon as they appear on your screen, making it easier to preview content without having to tap on each video individually. Go ahead and tap on Autoplay Videos. You'll notice that a check mark appears next to it, indicating that the feature is now enabled. This means from now on, any videos you encounter in your Viber chats will automatically start playing as you scroll through your conversations, saving you the step of manually clicking on each one. And that's it, you've successfully enabled autoplay videos in Viber. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.